Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your chat settings in Among Us. We will go through the simple steps to switch between quick chat and free chat, helping you communicate more effectively with your crewmates. Understanding these options can significantly improve your game, whether you are strategizing or just having fun. Let's dive into how you can customize your communication. To adjust your chat type, first launch Among Us and look for the cog icon, which is your settings button. Once inside the settings menu, locate and click on the Data tab. Here, you will find an option labeled Chat Type. Simply tap on this to toggle between free or quick chat and quick chat only. After making your selection, exit the settings to save your preference. Quick Chat provides a selection of preset phrases, making communication fast and safe, especially for younger players. Free Chat, on the other hand, allows you to type out any message you wish, offering much more flexibility. To use Free Chat, players typically need to be at least 13 years old. This distinction is important for choosing the best communication style for your game. Choosing the right chat mode can significantly enhance your Among Us experience. Free Chat allows for complex discussions and deeper social deduction, while Quick Chat is perfect for urgent alerts and streamlined interactions. Experiment with both to see which best suits your play style and the dynamics of your lobby. Mastering your communication is a crucial step towards victory, whether you are a cunning imposter or a diligent crewmate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.